What up, good people? Just coming to y'all for a little quick parts update. So, truck drivers, owner operators especially, I always talk about having, just being able to fix things that you can fix on your own on your truck to save yourself some money, right? So, these O-rings, I'm at Home Depot right now, and I got 2 boxes of O-rings. Right, I got 2 boxes of them, and this fitting goes to my steering gearbox. So I changed out my steering gearbox a couple of months ago, and I knew this O-ring right here around this fitting, this black O-ring, I knew it needed to be changed, but I didn't have one at the time, so I just put it back on there. So, of course, it was leaking a little bit, so I know this O-ring needs to be changed. But I went to Freightliner just to get an O-ring, right? And they was like, "Oh, we don't sell the O-rings. You got to buy the whole fitting." So I said, "You mean to tell me I got to buy this whole fitting just to get this little black O-ring right here?" Yes. So this fitting is like $15-$20, and I needed 3 of them, right? So I went on and bought 2 of the fittings, and they didn't have this one, so that's why I didn't end up buying this one. So I let them jerk me out of like $30 for 2 fittings, because at the time I just I wanted it done. So needless to say, came to Home Depot, got 2 boxes of O-rings for less than the cost of 1 fitting. And these O-rings, there's a bunch of stuff around your truck that you're going to need them for. So just wanted to say to, owner operators, truck drivers, whatever, keep you some O-rings in your truck. All right. Like I said, I got these from Home Depot. So that's all I got for y'all today. I'm out. Peace.